got this shit pushing out the door. She's the only one who can show up to my crib. I'm in the middle of the circle. I'm in a cul-de-sac where everybody can see my spot, but we locked in tight and put it all together. I had everybody going to a crib for sure. Had every crackhead in the cut. Sailboat Bay make everything go crazy. I was sitting around cooking everything up in the kitchen. I remember them people hit the door. I about flushed everything down the damn toilet. My grandma had my back, I'm being real about her for sure. Yeah, Nancy, you know how this shit is. They don't know this shit right here is really real. My lifestyle cutthroat is fucked up, but I got a couple old people that love me for sure. I got the championship for sure. Put a lot of shit in place. I ain't gotta do so much shit no more. Hope y'all proud of you on my mind, cause I just got a call the other day. They say you in the hospital right now. All my old people dying on me for sure. This shit getting crazy. I've been doing this shit for a while. It's time to switch my lifestyle up now. I ain't got no more crack kids for sure. Y'all wouldn't understand this real shit. I'm a real dope boy for real. Miss it all in the bowl, I'm been for sure. I'm in the kitchen making jump out the Pyrex. It bust all over the stove. I just lost a hair, but I'ma make it back for sure. Scratch me an egg, I'ma sell me a zone. Sell it for the low, I still re-rock the shit. You know a nigga like me will really miss my shit. You never know what you getting from a legit. For real. Like a word.